Singapore is one of the most prominent cities in the world, with a blend of cultures including Chinese, Malaysian, Indian, and British. It's truly an experience like nowhere else in the world. Here are some travel tips to help you plan your trip to Singapore. Singapore is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, and it's also not a cheap place to travel. That being said, it's still possible to travel Singapore on a budget. The most expensive things in Singapore are accommodation and alcohol, so skimp there to save big. There's tons of amazing cuisines and food to try. Eat at hawker stalls. It's not only a true taste of Singapore, but it's also inexpensive. Head to Chinatown Food Center to try Hainanese chicken rice, chili crab, or laksa. There's even a Michelin-starred chicken rice stand, one of the cheapest Michelin-starred restaurants in the world. No worries about language here. Most people are bilingual and fluent in English. Singapore may be a small country, but there is still a lot to see. Just 31 miles wide and 17 miles long. Singapore has several must-see neighborhoods, like Little India, Chinatown, Marina Bay, and more. To get around, use public transportation. The Mass Rapid Transit is an easy and affordable way to get around Singapore. Singapore is hot and humid all year round, with temperatures often reaching over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Carry lightweight clothes and be sure to pack a rain jacket. The rain can come down heavily and without warning. A few things you have to do while you're in Singapore. Head to the Marina Bay area to check out the gardens by the bay. Just be sure to get there early before hordes of crowds show up. Chill out at the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stay at the Marina Bay Sands to enjoy an epic rooftop infinity pool. Head to the Raffles Hotel for a cocktail, where you can sip on a Singapore sling at the very place it was invented. Visit Sentosa Island to enjoy some sun and sand. And last but not least, hop on a boat tour to see the city from the water.